Friends, today we're going to see how to make prawn coconut masala. It's a shrimp coconut masala. It's a Indian style. This is recipe from my mother, so she's made this. It's our favorite, all-time favorite. It's delicious. It's just simply divine. Welcome to the channel. Food is a God gift. This is your channel. It's a variety of a global cuisine. We love to make all type of dishes in detail and just for you, friends. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and click that red button and the bell button to get everyday notification of new recipes. To make this prawn coconut masala, all you need is 1 cup peeled prawn or shrimp, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder. So we're going to marinate the shrimp before we're going to start. I soak 5 to 7 red dry chili in a hot water, and we're going to blend it with a tomato and half cup onion chopped, coconut, fennel seed, ginger garlic paste, curry leaf, coriander leaf, and for the tempering is a mustard seed, fenugreek and jeera. That's it, friend. And we use the gingery oil to cook or saute. So in the jar I just add the soaked dry chili. It's depend how much spices you want. So I find out if we grind the chili, it's really give nice the flavor, the heat flavor. So I like to grind it. This is my mother always she do. For the coconut paste, we always grind the coconut and the fennel seed. That's it, friend. This is ready. So let's see. And before that, we need to marinate the shrimp with the turmeric powder and salt. And now let's see how to make it. So in the one wok, I just add the sesame oil or gingery oil, and I just add the tempering. Once it's splattering, we're going to add the chopped onion and let it saute about 1 to 2 minutes. So friend, this recipe is from my great grandma. She passed to my grandmother, and then my grandmother passed to my mother, and now I'm just keep it this recipe. It's simply delicious. We love this recipe all the time. So now I'm just add the ginger garlic paste. So just give a nice saute. It smells so good, friends, already. Let it cook. It just take 1 to 2 minutes. So we're going to keep adding each one ingredient and keep saute. This is the process to have a good delicious shrimp fry, friends. So now I just added the marinate shrimp. So just give a nice saute or stir, and just give a spread it. And now we're going to add the grind masala or the chili and tomatoes. So again, the chili and tomato is give nice thickness and really heat flavor to our shrimp masala. Now I just added the paste, coconut and fennel paste, and before that I already added coriander powder, friends. So let it cook until the oil spread. It take about 7 to 8 minutes to this process. We're going to make this gravy really dry, so it's going to be all the masala will nicely coated to the shrimp. Now friends, it's almost ready. You see, friends, it's almost thickened and it's dried. It's so delicious, smells so good here, and I can't wait to try. Now I am adding the ground black pepper. Friends, do not add the black pepper before you start or in between cooking. Always add the black pepper in the end, because it will change the bitterness to the whole gravy. Please keep it in mind. Always add the black pepper in the end before you serve or take off to the serving bowl. So that's it, friend. This is ready. Now we can serve this delicious prawn coconut masala with the steamed rice, and I have spinach and dal, cabbage fry and cucumber. It's just perfect combination with this prawn coconut masala. It's simply delicious, friend. The masala is really well coated with the shrimp, really spicy, so perfect, friends. It's just delicious. So friends, you can also serve this delicious shrimp coconut masala as an appetizer or as a best side for rasam rice, sambar rice, coconut rice, vegetable pulao, and you also can serve for chapati, paratha and dosa. It goes so well, friend, with any your main dish. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and this is my mother recipe, and we love this recipe and we enjoy so much. So as I bring to try in this channel. Before you leave, please leave a comment and subscribe now, and don't forget to click that bell button to get the everyday notification our new recipes. Thank you.